The mechanicals are bouncing on our new trampoline. Oh, look! Max and Molly are here for a checkup. Come on, it's time to help our friends.
You're up first, Molly.
Come inside, Yellow. You can't keep bouncing on your own. It's not safe without a grown-up around to keep an eye on you. All done, Molly. Your turn, Max. Max, where are you?
That's not like him. And it's getting dark.
We need to find Max, fast! Don't worry, Molly. We'll find your brother. He can't have gone far. Spread out, mechanicals! We need to find him before it gets too dark. Where could Max have gone?
Tyre tracks on the trampoline? That means Max must have bounced right up to the roof.
Don't worry, Max. We'll get you down safely. And I have an idea how. Tilly! Hello, friend. Can we use your tow rope, please? We need it to lower Max down off the roof. It's okay, Max. The rope will stop you falling, and your monster truck wheels will help you roll onto the ground. That's it, Max. Nice and steady. Well done, Max. You did it.
Now we'll need to repair your damage.
What tools do we need? Wrench. Screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First unscrew these broken lights, then screw in new ones shining bright. Let's take a look at your horn too. Oh dear, that won't do. We'll bolt in place a new horn here. We hear you loud and clear. Max and Molly's new lights are perfect for helping you watch the mechs having fun on the trampoline. Oh, to make sure you're safe. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello everyone. Smashing day for you to join us here at the construction site. Today, Eric's going to knock down this old wall with his brand new wrecking ball. Mr. Weasel fitted the wrecking ball to Eric's bucket arm, so let's hope it works. Rusty wrenches!
Oh.
Oh no! Eric's been tricked! That wrecking ball is really just a giant rubber bouncy ball! Huh? Let's catch that ball! Thank goodness you're okay. And you've even given me an idea, Red. Don't worry, Eric. You can catch that ball. We can fill your bucket with sand to soften the bounce. And I'll fix a lid to trap it inside. Eric, we need your bucket! Mechanicals, we need that barrel. What tools do we need? Pliers! Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Your bucket It's now positioned right. I'll tighten this nut and bolt it tight. This metal's sharp, so stand back there. Let's cut and move this barrel with care. This lid was a very good call, so come on. Oh! Let's catch that bouncy ball. You can do it, Eric. Bullseye! Oh, great catch, Eric. Not quite how you planned it, Eric, but the job is done. Great teamwork. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We've just fitted a brand new brush to the car wash. Let's see how well it works. Hooray! It's working brilliantly. Well done, Mechanicals.
With this new engine, I'm the fastest weasel in town!
Oh, dear. I don't like the look of this, Mechanicals. Yikes! Look out, Mechanicals! Oh, yuck! The oil has spilled everywhere.
Make it stop!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's out of control! What a huge and nasty oil slick! Let's clean it up nice and quick. But this oil is very sticky. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger brush. Of course! We can use the old car wash brush. Please, can we attach it to your Mama Recycle? Grab some tools, it's fixing time! While we fix, we sing this rhyme. So we can clean up in a rush. Let's attach this car wash brush. Then you can spin it round and round and get that oil off the ground. Spin that brush nice and quick and let's remove this oil slick. Ready, everyone? Go, go, go! Great stuff, Mama Recycle. It's working! Great work, everyone. Now this scene is nice and clean. Unlike Mr. Weasel. I think we might have another customer, Mama Recycle. Bye, everyone.
Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, Mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear. Sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecko, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes. chance.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, Grandma. Right, Mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practicing, Gecko.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh,
Hello, everyone. I'm test driving Miles the motorcycle and... his throttle keeps getting stuck, so it's hard to slow down.
Oh, about time we fix that. I'll have a look in the garage for a spare part. Come on, little ones. Oopsie.
I'll help you find it, Grandma.
The radio is still broken. Don't worry. Gecko will fix you. Oh, meow wow. Look at you. I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle. Woohoo! Ándale, motocicleta!
Here it is, Miles.
Grandma, you'll need this screwdriver. What's the matter, Grandma? Cat got your tongue?
No! She's got my motorcycle!
The throttle's stuck. I can't stop.
Spinning screwdrivers. Hang on, Cat.
We have to hurry. Come on, Gecko. May I fly you, dear?
You know how to fly a helicopter?
A tad rusty, but once a pilot, always a pilot.
Cat, are you okay?
Gecko, this motorcycle is out of control. It won't stop.
Because we're still repairing him.
I should have asked first. Wait, who is flying Helena?
No time to explain. I have a plan. Grandma, lower me down. Oh! Time to help our friends in need with a fix to lower Miles' speed.
Hurry, Gecko. I don't like water.
Right now, Cat!
I'm sorry for borrowing the motorcycle, Gecko.
Well, actually, Miles is Grandma's friend.
Wow, you must be Grandma Gecko. I'm Catalina Felina, but my friends call me Cat.
Pleasure to meet you. If you wanted some motorcycle lessons, just ask. I'm your gal.
You have the best grandma ever.
Why, thank you, dear. I like her, Gecko.
Until next time, bye!
Bobby? Oh no! Your windscreen is cracked. Quick, come inside. Oh, that must hurt. We'll need to replace it. Mechanicals, could you fetch a new windscreen, please? And be careful! That glass is very fragile.
Look at my new tooth. It's gold and shiny. Out of my way, trash cans. Gecko, look at my new... Oh, my gold tooth. Where is it? It was so expensive.
Well done, Mechanicals. Thanks for bringing the windscreen. All done, Bobby. Off you go. Mechanicals, could you take the old windscreen away, please?
Aha! Found it!
Then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
There you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyre should be all set. All right, Mechanicals. Let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck! Wait! You mustn't go off by yourself! Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it! Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, baby truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko. The water is rising.
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema.
Ah,
Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
Oh, what's wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals. Green?
Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat. Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green.
Hello, everyone. We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, Mechanicals. Oh. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Ah! Huh? Ah! Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. Oh. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, Mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Oh. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, Mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, Mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just finishing Miles's fresh coat of paint. It's a special surprise for Grandma.
Oh, I don't like surprises, Gecky. Unless they're good, of course.
Okay. Open your eyes for a special surprise.
Holy handlebars! What a perfect paint job. Oh, Miles, it really suits you, darling. Let's go for a spin and show you off.
One at a time, Lex.
You should be the first to ride, Gecky. In you get.
Be good, Max. We won't be long.
Isn't it wonderful to be together on the open road again, Gecky?
It really is. Look out, Grandma!
Handles like a dream. Barely noticed you were there, Gecky. Gecky?
Spinning screwdrivers. I need to make this steady. Phew! It worked. But I don't have any spare brakes. Oh!
Whoa! Hang on, Gecky. Grandma's coming.
Just keep driving straight, Grandma. I have an idea. Take good care. Always carry a spare.
Just like I taught you.
Oh! Phew! That was too close. I'll need to make some adjustments.
I was thinking, maybe some rocket thrusters?
Oh, Grandma. Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green! Green! Where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe, and this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can! This tree's history. Ha!
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a silly tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some silly apples than... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done.
Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the Monster Keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, Baby Truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby! What rotten luck!
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me! Pass to me, Sly! You'll only miss! Oh! No! That was your fault, Sly!
Oh dear, you two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two! We have to win! Whatever it takes!
Team Gecko on the attack, repaired and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Ow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never!
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! Gecko's garage!
No, no, no! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play won today.